Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do if then in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. Here I have my Google Sheets app opened and I have prepared my data as well, and we're going to put if then function on this discount column. And if the quantity is greater than or equal to 5 pieces, they will get 5% discount. Let's practice it together, guys. First of all, click on the cell and then enter the tax or formula, and we're going to enter the formula. Make sure that you pay attention to what I'm typing. Okay, we have to type equal, then if. Since we want to do a function, then we have to choose the value, and the value is in B3 cell. Then I'm going to put greater than or equal to 5. Then put 5% and also 0%. 0% means that they don't get the discount. All right, and after that we can click on this check mark, right? And we can do autofill. Just tap and hold and drag the table, and then we have to tap and hold until this option appear on our screen, then choose autofill. Okay guys, that's how we can do if then function in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.